Hello, welcome to my channel Explore with Isabel. Today, I'll be giving you a review of the Hyper e-bike. We bought this from Walmart 6 months ago for $377.03, excluding taxes. There are 4 main things that we'll be doing in this video. First is a review of the specifications for this bike. Second is a live speed test. And we'll also be reviewing the pros and cons of this e-bike and also my own experience with this e-bike. This e-bike comes with a 250-watt brushless rear hub motor. Included is a 36-volt rechargeable battery. There isn't a throttle mode sadly, and that can be something that most people won't like, but it's enough power to carry a 250-pound rider up several hills without an issue with its pedal assist. There's a 3-level pedal assist mode on this e-bike, and they can give you speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. Its 6-level Shimano gear system helps pedaling become easy for the rider. It's entry level, but it still gives you a boost to your ride. Now, let's talk about this Hyper e-bike's battery. That's very classy. On the pedal assist, the battery lasts for 1.5 hours with 4 hours charging. There's a power button and 4 LED lights that indicate the battery charge. There is a lock and the key is included to take out the battery from the bike. You can charge the battery while it's in the bike, or you can take it out and charge it. The battery is concealed into the frame without any bumps or anything to indicate that that's the battery and not just part of the styling. It still gives it a very stylish look. Let's review the riding controls. At this low price, it's kind of unfair to expect a throttle mode, which is what makes an e-bike most of the time. But this one makes up for it with the pedal assist. There are 3 levels of pedal assist that you can adjust on the panel near the handlebar. When you start pedaling, the pedal assist comes and kicks in. There are 3 different modes: low, medium, and high. They're self-explanatory. The high can go up to 20 miles per hour. There's also a 6-kilometer button that you can use when you're walking against it to use less work. The saddle has an adjustable post. It's not comfy and it's low quality. You can replace it if you want. The Hyper e-bike is a unisex e-bike that has a cool look and gives a snug feeling to normal-sized people, like people from between 5'3" to 6'2". It's lightweight but can hold up to 250 pounds. It looks quite sporty with its sturdy central aluminum frame. The front suspensions are good, but they can be better. Even if they say it's a mountain bike, it really isn't, and it's recommended for on-road use, not recommended for off-road. It's the ideal bike for city commuting, grocery pickup, and other things. It's also a very good replacement as a car. You can save the environment and save money on fuel. The handlebars have a grip so that it's comfortable while riding. The rim brakes on this e-bike are average. You can have an upgraded model with a disc brake if you want more control and a feel of security. Let's do the speed test. Right now we are just pedaling. We've turned on the power, the low mode is starting to kick in, the pedal assist. There's a speedometer app that you can download. That's how we're able to get the numbers. Next mode, medium. It's starting to speed up really fast now. Now we're at 23, that's because we're pedaling. Now we're doing high. It's really fast now. It's going extremely fast now, into the 30s. This is because we are pedaling. That's why it's over 20 miles per hour. This is really helpful if you've just gone on a long ride and you're coming back and you're tired. It's really helpful. You just have to pedal a bit. It does the rest for you. As you can see, we're going up a hill with the pedal assist on. It's really smooth, not difficult at all. There are a few extra accessories that you can buy that are really helpful, like a light to see when it's dark, a phone mount to put your phone in, and other things, but those two are what I have right now. So, let's review the pros and cons of this e-bike. There are several things that we like and dislike about this e-bike. One thing that we like is its affordable price. We bought it for about $400. Another is that its step-through design makes it easy to ride. The third is that the concealed battery gives it a classy and stylish look. What we dislike is the uncomfortable saddle. It's low quality. And we don't like that there isn't a throttle mode. That doesn't really make it a regular e-bike. This can be a major turn-off for most people. And the last one is, no matter what they say, it's not a mountain bike. It's very useful for several reasons. One is if you have a family member who's struggling to catch up with you guys, or yourself is struggling to catch up with everyone else in your family, then you can buy this and it's easy to ride even without the electricity on. Normal e-bikes are usually worth around $1,000, so I think that this is a very good e-bike for a very good price. I would totally recommend it and I think it's worth it. So, as always, the usual, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching!